Hey people, welcome back to A Piece of Life. Today I, Supriya Nehra, with my lovely partner Soumya, welcome each and every one of you in today's wonderful episode number 7 of A Piece of Life.
Yes. Yes, guys, welcome back.
So, this is the show where we take on one tiny slice of the human experience and chew it and brew it and until it changes the way you think, you feel, and you live. So, geared up for today, Samya?
Absolutely. Bring it on, girl. What you got in your pocket?
Okay, so let us start today's thing. So, Soumya, you use which hand to brush your teeth?
Right hand.
Right hand. Okay. There is one particular habit that you do every day in one particular way.
Yeah, this brushing of teeth.
Brushing of teeth. And what else? Eating your food.
Eating your food, chopping the vegetables, sleeping on the right side or like sleeping on my left side,
Do you
turn.
have to think once before sleeping at the in a particular side of your bed?
No,
No.
it happens
That
very organically.
it happens organically. That means that comes at an autopilot basis.
Yeah.
Do you have
It
to
feels
think?
odd if I'm not sleeping like that, actually.
It feels uncomfortable. And sometimes when you change the bed, then maybe that time you do not feel sleepy at all,
Yeah.
right? So today we have something related to that only.
Oh,
Yeah.
something faulty with us now.
Something faulty with the brain, maybe?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so do you ever think that my brain is very lazy? It could goes and do something in following a one particular pattern. हम सभी को अच्छा लगता है ना?
All the time. By default, it goes in that track. Like, can't pull it
So
back.
there is when you came here at my residence, so there is one washroom that is there attached with my room. So
Yeah.
I always make an effort to go into that bathroom only. Even though the three other bathrooms are free, I will definitely make sure that I'll go to that bathroom only. So why is it so?
It's just comfortable and
It's
something.
comfortable.
And you don't have to think about it. It's a pre-decided thing and it is easy to do it rather than make a new decision because we know all brain doesn't like new decisions. Maybe
Mm.
that's my take on this. But
That's your take. So today, you know what? We are going to dance around all that thing, and we are not going to reveal the thing, what it exactly means.
no.
It is you will guess the thing and we just love the mystery part है ना हम लोग हमेशा बाद में रिवील करते हैं.
Let us become the well, who is that guy? Sherlock Holmes today. Yeah.
Sherlock Holmes for today, huh?
Yes. Okay. Bring it on. Give the clues.
So yeah, so the brain's laziness is the problem. You know, your brain actually wants you to do things in certain manner that you have learned, which is a habit of yours, and that is why when going to the nearby shop or nearby market, you always follow one particular route.
Yes. Bingo.
And this way, you know, Soumya, what you're doing is you're restricting your mind to follow one particular thing only. You're
Yeah.
not taking chances, and there is so much lack of variety in your life,
Correct.
right? So,
Hmm.
what we do in the gym process, when you go to the gym, है ना, one day you go and do your biceps का exercise, कभी आप जाके अपने triceps का exercise करते हो, when sometimes it's your leg day. But when it comes to the mindset building program, we are particularly following one particular regime daily,
Hmm.
every time.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
for
Hmm.
that, your brain actually is not exercising, that means.
Okay. Makes
Your
sense.
brain is actually making itself comfortable in the place where it is. It is running on the autopilot basis. You are waking up in the morning, you are brushing your teeth, maybe you are having the cup of tea or water or whatever. You do not drink tea. That means you are having water. I always see you holding that green cup of yours. Maybe it's now with you. See, yeah, holding that particular cup because you love that cup, राइट. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी डू एंड उसके बाद हम लोग माइंड जिम करते हैं हम लोग एक पर्टिकुलर तरीके से ऑल्दो वी कीप ऑन चेंजिंग द टॉपिक बट स्टिल वी डू दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग बिकॉज दैट्स अ हैबिट फॉर अस. देन वी लव डू अदर chores of us. So this is something a pattern which we are following from
Hmm.
like maybe 2 years or so,
Yeah.
right? So
Hmm.
this is why our entire life is running on an autopilot basis. So now when we try to do something differently, then only our brain will get time to expand its abilities.
Okay. Makes
Okay,
sense.
so when you are exercising for your arm, or when you do not do that, when you go to a particular place, a particular gym maybe, and there you learn certain exercises and you come out of that comfort zone in order to wake up your brain. So here we are not going for any physical exercise. As you know, we are mindset building program, right? We are training people, we are training the mindset of people. So
Yeah.
what we are going to wake up our mind now,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
we need to do something to wake up our mind without caffeine.
Yes, absolutely. No, we don't want to have caffeine in our body, clearly. Yes.
So let
Not
us
that it is
just,
bad, not that it is bad, but
uh-huh,
just don't want to have it on regular basis. Yeah.
yeah. So instead of that caffeine, can I pour in some curiosity around it?
You have already built it up, girl. Please reveal. It's enough. Like, can you just give us it? Give the thing what we need
Okay,
to do.
okay. So right now, let me just ask you one thing. Okay, you might not be having your brush right now. If I ask you to brush your teeth using your left hand, you are a righty, I suppose. Then if I ask you to, brush your teeth using your left hand, then you may not be having that, na? हो नहीं
It's
पाएगा.
not that easy. It doesn't happen like as fluently like the right
Because you're
one.
not trying it every day, na?
Um, ah,
So give
often
up that brushing thing. You are standing or sitting right now?
sitting.
Sitting. Okay. Your legs are crossed or not?
One is crossed, one is like,
तो चेंज द टर्न, है ना? अगर आपका राइट पैर आगे है तो उसको आप चेंज करके लेफ्ट को आप, उसके ऊपर लेके आइए, राइट के ऊपर.
okay, I did it. Yeah.
सो वाज इट अनकंफर्टेबल इन द बिगिनिंग?
It didn't want it to. There was, I was like, I was comfortable
Because
sitting in
you
it.
are programmed to do like that, na?
Yeah,
Automatically every day you are doing that.
I was
So
like, why is
that
she
is
asking
something,
me?
yeah, that is something that आपके ब्रेन को कुछ एक्सरसाइज करना ही नहीं पड़ता ना उसके लिए.
Hmm.
उसके लिए आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना पड़ता. व्हेन आई बॉट दिस बैंगल, तो इट वाज नॉट गोइंग इनसाइड माय दिस हैंड, जा ही नहीं रहा था इसके अंदर. तो दैट पर्सन टोल्ड कि मैम आप एक काम करो, आप लेफ्ट में पहन लो. आई वाज लाइक नो नो नो, आई वांट इट इन राइट हैंड ओनली. Why? Because my brain loves that. It doesn't want to come out of the comfort zone. So
Hmm.
that is why it is not experiencing the vastness of the world that it
Yeah.
has to. We
Yeah.
are the one who is actually not stretching ourselves beyond our limitations. Now, what we are teaching in the mind gym, that this world is beyond your expectation, beyond your limits, है ना? आपके अंदर की जो दुनिया है वो beyond है. And how you are going to experience that beyondness or the limitlessness of the outside world also, by making your brain do certain things differently. So, the thing which is called aerobics for your body, right? This is something, what do you want to say now? It's neurobics for your mind.
Oh, wow. New word, neurobics. I
Yeah.
like it. I
So,
like
you are
it.
picking out on something, doing it differently, and consistently you are making an effort to do it in that way only.
This is the actual term or you coined
This is
it?
the actual term which is called neurobics.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Neurobics. I love
Neurobics
it.
is the actual term. It actually brings in lot of thing in your mind. It
Mhm.
makes you able to, vasten your area, vasten the extremity of you. It tells you that your life is actually so vast that you are not knowing now. So this is a particular neurobic term which has been coined by a neurobiologist naming Lawrence Katz.
Lawrence
Katz,
Katz.
Katz. So it means using your senses and your novel different ways to exercise your brain.
So it's exercise of your brain.
Exercising your brain, and
Mm.
that is for your neurons. Because you
Neurons.
know that entire nervous system is made up of neurons. So
Correct.
this way you are creating new neural pathways and you're exercising your brain to do that. That is why it is called neurobics.
So you're telling that in our mind gym, what
Mhm.
we're technically doing is neurobics.
We are doing neurobics, but that those things are mental neurobics. Every day you are doing that. Here you are physically also doing that. वो तो हम
Oh.
अपनी आंखें बंद करके करते हैं माइंड जिम में, राइट? आवर आईज आर क्लोज, वी आर
Uh-huh.
diving deep into inside, and we are doing it with closed eyes. The eyes are closed to the external world.
Huh.
That is one great thing that we are doing in the mind gym. But here You
You're
are
doing
doing
it.
it with your open eyes in the actual
Oh,
real world.
okay, okay. Now I get it. Now I get it. Okay, so what you're trying to say is that when I shift from using my right hand to left hand, it's a neurobic. When
It
I
is a neurobic.
shift from going from one particular pathway to my school or office or whatever, I take another route and go, it is neurobic. So, where your brain is actually thinking new and it is firing differently, that
It is
itself
firing differently.
is
Yeah,
neurobics.
that is
Oh
neurobics.
my God, that's so
So
nice.
now onwards, I'm going to put on my the wristwatch in my right hand because I'm used to put it in the left hand only.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, you love that. Yeah,
I love that. I love to put it in the left hand. So that is why this single small steps will create a snowball effect of positivity, of
of course.
neurobics in our mind, and we will be actually seeing the limitless world around us. So not just in the morning mind gym, here
Ah,
after the mind gym also throughout the entire day, we'll do
ah,
something differently to make our
differently.
neurons exercise in a particular manner.
Bingo. Makes lot of sense, guys. Makes lot of sense. Oh my God, my whole life is like blasted right now.
Yeah, it is
Okay.
expanding. It's expanding actually. Every day we are learning something new, Soumya. We are learning something new. If you actually, when you have your food, we always ask our clients to have your food in solace. And so if you are doing it solace, sometimes you try to do the things in with someone else. आपके नियर एंड डियर वन के साथ आप बैठ के खा सकते हो दैट विल बी अ न्यूरोबिक्स इफ यू आर डूइंग इट डिफरेंटली then suppose that you are used to you are acha tell me one thing let us do something differently now which is the most boring job that you find in your house to do.
The to dry up the vessels that are washed and to keep them organized in their places.
Okay,
That's like
so
the most.
okay, in my case, it is ironing or it is organizing the house and sometimes like that. So what I do for the new thing is I put on music.
Mm,
Put on some dance music and do it, right? So that is what your mind is actually is not realizing that it is doing that thing. Although
mm,
you are taking your full concentration, your hands are doing that, but your mind is actually enjoying the song also, maybe, and then you are accelerating the process. You will not find that job boring anymore. So
mm.
now onwards, you do one thing, Soumya. When you are doing you're drying the utensils up, है ना? You put on the music, maybe favorite music or something like that, maybe some dance music, some high energy music, and then do that thing. So your brain will do associate that music with with drying up the utensils, and that thing will be done differently in a beautiful manner. That job will not be boring for you anymore. So you
So
practice it consistently, one, two times, three times, then you will come out of it.
so that's the key thing that everybody kind of needs to make sure they remember that it's not going to magically change in the
Hmm.
first go. You may have to repeat it. You may have to kick in the
Consistently.
neuroplasticity, right? The factor
Yeah.
that is, and
Yeah.
that's when it becomes a part of thing that you're going to enjoy. So you have to you don't build muscles in a day. So similarly, you will not build your brain muscles in a day. You have to repeat it over the period of time, and that's when, okay, makes sense, girl, makes sense. I get you where you're going. Good one.
Yeah, in the beginning, you might feel that this is so clumsy. How does it make any difference? कैसा क्या होगा? क्या फर्क पड़ जाता है अगर मैं लेफ्ट हैंड से ब्रश करूं या मैं लेफ्ट हैंड से खाना खाऊं? सौम्या, आई वाज सो जजमेंटल अबाउट द पीपल हु ईट विद लेफ्ट हैंड्स ना. बहुत अजीब लगता था मुझे. But now it makes sense, yeah. The brains of those people are far more developed.
Yeah.
When my brother used to ride with the left hand, everyone used to mock around कि क्या करेगा. Now when I see him, I really find him in a better place in life. Why? Because he was doing something different, something out of crowd.
Babe, you just gave me a hack to eat my food. So, people, especially people who watch television or something and they are eating, I think this is the best thing to focus on the
Yeah.
food. Eat it with your left hand because you will then be very, very attentive to your plate. And that's when you will slowly wane off the watching of TV or anything because you'll start concentrating on like hand mouth coordination. Thank you for that. So, I'm going to bang on, I'm not at a lunch, so I'm going to do this right away with my lunch. Going to use my left hand to have my food.
Great, great. Do that and consistently do it for 7 days.
Yes.
And guys, all of you who are listening to us, do everything consistently. Make a consistent effort to do something differently, है ना? ऑफिस जा रहे हो तो कोई और रास्ता लेके जाओ. एक पर्टिकुलर रास्ते को फॉलो मत करो. Try some different route one day. कभी अब you
Provided
are,
there is different routes.
yeah.
Don't want you guys to be in some shit.
Yeah. Obviously, like suppose for love also, if you are making love with your partner, you are used to going in one particular position or try differently. There's
Yeah.
magic in everything. You do not. You just
Yeah,
have to
baby.
go out of the comfort zone,
Now
baby.
you're talking.
So this way you will be experiencing lot more things and your brain will get developed. It will be a 22nd century brain, when you apply this neurobics and you create those neural generation, because every time you are doing something differently, your brain comes actually out of the comfort zone to do that. You are actually releasing lot of epinephrine in your brain, in your system, तो नॉरएपिनेफ्रिन जो एसिटाइल कोलिन जो आपके बॉडी में निकलेगा, जो आपके केमिकल्स जो निकलेंगे, उसके कारण रिपीटेडली यू विल बी वांटिंग टू कम आउट ऑफ इट, एंड रिपीटेड एक्शंस के कारण आपके न्यू न्यूरल पाथवेज जनरेट हो जाएंगे. और जब न्यू न्यूरल पाथवेज जनरेट हो जाएंगे, देन यू विल बी एबल टू क्रिएट न्यू हैबिट्स फॉर यू. And making
Absolutely.
new habits, making creating success in your life, everything will become very, very easy for you when you start doing things differently. So definitely you are gonna remember this. This is something very easy, and that's why we bring here at Brain to Body, that we bring out the easy things, the things that you know, and we dive deep into it, and we want you to build that kind of mindset when you are actually reprogramming your and retraining your mind to make out the best use of it.
Yes, absolutely. And this is the need of the hour as well. Recently, I was just scrolling, I think, through Insta or somewhere, and I came across that, with the increased use of artificial intelligence, we are not using so much of
Hmm.
our brain as we were
Definitely.
using previously before the emergence of artificial
I
intelligence. So,
second that.
this is now the need of an hour. Of course, we need to take help of AI and we have to progress in life, but that doesn't necessarily mean you have to stop being innovative in your life or stop being creative in your life or expand the vastness of this life. And if simply by changing your hands that you have been using, or simple habits in day to day's activity, if you can do something new in them, I think you are a winner in this 22nd century. Absolutely. This is the absolute need of the hour. Supriya, thank you for bringing this topic to life and giving it a name. I mean, everybody has heard it. Like, everybody keeps preaching about this key. Oh, brush with your left. That's a famous thing, right? Famous thing. Anybody who talks about mindset, the first thing they recommend is, oh, switch using your right to left hand in brushing. That's
Go
the
to the
first thing.
uncomfortable zone. Hmm.
Huh. But nobody gave this term that, and
And that's not me who gave this term.
I mean,
Sir Lawrence Katz.
sorry, Lauren G, thank you so much. But thank you for stressing about
Bringing
it
it from,
and
yeah.
painting her, and we due credits to her. Thank you for, and such a nice word, such a word that we can use it day to day.
Easy,
Oh,
it's easy also.
I'm
So
doing neurobics,
I'm
guys.
doing
Hashtag
neurobics.
neurobics. And
Hashtag neurobics, right. You guys are
today,
genius, honey.
do something. Whoever is listening, do something. Post a story, hashtag it with new hashtag neurobics and at the rate brain to body revolution where you first heard it, and let's bring out a revolution. Awesome, good one.
Thank you so much, guys. This is what we need to do is every 7 day throughout the week, you are going to adopt one neurobic, going to consistently repeat that and make new neural patterns in your mind. So up with it, do share with us, term it as neurobics. And just like this neurobic thing, we have brought down many things for you. And you just have to go into our channel and look into the fact that we are daily bringing something new in the podcast. Watch those things, apply those things, create a mindset. And if still you have got something intrigues you, comment us and join us at Brain to Body Revolution.
Absolutely. And I'm going to be posting with my left hand eating the lunch very soon. Thank you
Yes,
so much,
and me too,
Supriya.
me too. I also adopt one and I'll also share something.
Yes,
Okay.
hashtag neurobics at brain to body revolution. And let's bring the revolution on, guys.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so much,
so
guys. Please
much.
follow us on Instagram and you can visit our website also at www.braintobodyrevolution.com. See you
Bye.
guys. Thank you so much.